This queen right here will make you want to style your hair every day by day. Oh my god, she's so good at this protective style of a thing. Like, oh, she knows how to style the hair so well. I started watching her when her hair was still very, very short. But now look at her hair, is all grown and beautiful. I love it. Just like she said, trust the process, and of course, I am trusting the process. Please do not
Used
disappoint
in a
me,
book about how
okay?
you don't have enough time to do your hair and how you don't have the skills or tools to execute your vision. When in reality, you were just scared of starting. I really had to tell myself, Golda, lock in and just start. Trust your hands, trust yourself, and most importantly, trust the process. But seriously, you never really know what lies.
Just like she said, trust the process, and I trusted the process, and I wasn't disappointed. What do you guys think? Follow for more, and if you know her handle, tag her, and of course, follow her. Bye. I think the award of the best passion braider, especially DIY passion braider, should go for her, because you guys, she's always doing it effortlessly, like so easy. You think it's easy, but when you start it, you see that it's not too, it's not easy as you see it. Well, she's so good and she's so beautiful. I love it. I'll be trying it out. You guys, I think I want to go back to short hair, because short hair doesn't stress at all. Like, it's so easy to style. Like, you don't have to go through that stress of trying to detangle your hair, all of that. Like, it's so easy to style. I think I want to cut my hair. What do you guys think? Should I go ahead, or I should just relax my hair? I don't know. Should I relax my hair? No, I'm not doing that. Anyways, this hair is so cute. I've done something like this before, but not the same style with the front one. But the hairstyle is so fine. I like it. I might be trying it again. Maybe, just maybe. I'm too lazy to style my hair these days. Hey, God help me. My gosh, she looks so beautiful. She ate, and the hairstyle ate. I know I love trying new hairstyles, but you guys, this particular one, is going to take forever. But you guys, it's so beautiful. Are you going to give it a try? Because as for me, I'm not sure. But it's beautiful, guys. I might be trying it out. Who knows? If you'll be trying it out, let us know in the comment section. And if you have done this hairstyle before, also let us know in the comment section. Okay? So, see you guys in my next one. Bye. You all, permit me to say I now have another favorite. I know I have a lot of favorite, but you guys, you can't blame me. I'm just a girl, and a natural girl at that matter. Anyway, look at this half down, half up. Like, look at how beautiful it's looking. You guys, don't tell me you don't like this style. No. Don't lie to yourself. Do not lie to yourself. Well, will you be trying it out or not? Oh my god, they create too. Jesus Christ. Look at beauty. Omo, I have seen beauty before, but this one is a discovery. Like, person just find anyhow. Wow. So guys, in this particular hairstyle, you must not use a crochet. You can use your wig. I think I have posted something like this before. You can make use of your wig. You must not use crochet. Okay, make use of your wig. It will all look exactly the same way. The most important place is the front. Get your cornrow or your weaving very well. My love for 4C hair is unexplainable. Okay, do you get my English? So this is how you can spice it up your hyper fine, so fine. Have you learned how to style your natural hair, or I should mind my business? No way I'm minding my business. You must learn how to style your hair and how to take care of your hair before I will leave you alone. Okay? Learn to style your hair. You guys, this hairstyle is so cute and it's so easy to make, especially if you have a long hair. Honestly, I'm going to try it out. Why you always complain about natural hair being boring is because you don't know how to style your hair. You don't know how to rock natural hair. Natural hair is so beautiful, like you guys. Just look at this one, for example. Is it not beautiful? Of course, it is beautiful. So learn how to style your natural hair and stop complaining. Okay? Always complaining about natural hair being boring. Like, excuse me, there was natural hair before artificial hair. Okay? So, if you want to be getting more styles, follow me for more. And remember less. Bye. What long hair can do, short hair can do it better. Okay, sorry. What long hair can do, short hair can also do it. Flat twist and finger coils. It came out so nice. So will you be trying out this style with your short hair or your long hair? Tell me in the comment section. Don't forget to oil your scalp like she did. Bye. See you in our next one. So this is how you can get this viral hairstyle done using just your hair. You don't need to use extension, especially if you are a coily girl. Like, I mean, if your hair is a coily hair type. But if you don't have a coily hair, you can always achieve it by using any coily product. Yes, you can achieve it by using a coily product as long as your hair is long. But if you don't want to go through this process, just get yourself a coily extension. After making the front, then you can now make use of the extension at the back and you get the perfect style. I think this is called half up half down. Yes, that is what the style is called. I remember I've done this hairstyle, but it doesn't go out of fashion. I'm trying it again. You guys, I have seen beauty before, but this is a discovery. Look at this beautiful hair, so full, so long, so thick. Oh my god, you guys, I'm so jealous. I can't wait for my hair to be this long. Honestly, I don't think I'll be braiding again. Onyeku, that thing. Who said that thing? Who said I'm not going to braid my hair? Of course. You guys know how much I love braiding my hair. So even if my hair is touching my, what is it called? My bum bum. Okay. I will still braid my hair. Okay. I will still braid my hair because I love braiding. Okay, okay. Anyways, her hair is so fine, jarring. So let's watch to the end and see the final look. But baby girl, you need to give me some tips on how to make my hair to grow this long and thick, because okay god, it's too much. Okay, look at that beauty. Try Omalicha. Oh my god. Please dash me this your hair. Oh my gosh, you look beautiful. Chai. Mwana mwa. Asamwa. Omalicha.